Let's say open, please, and see what animal comes out of the barn. Say it with me. Open, please. Oh, wow.
Moo.
It's a cow. It's a cow. I have an idea. Let's pretend to be cows eating grass. Pretend with me. Yummy grass. Moo, moo, moo. This is yummy grass, isn't it? I wonder what animal will come out next. Let's say open, please. We want to open the barn. Open, please. Oh, wow. It's a pig. It's a pig. Wow.
Oink, 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 oink.
Let's pretend to roll in the mud like pigs. We're pigs rolling in the mud. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. We're pigs in the mud. Let's see what animal is next. Say open, please, with me. Open, please. Wow, it's a duck. It's a duck.
Quack,
Can you pretend to be a duck with me?
quack,
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 quack.
quack,
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 quack.
quack.
We're ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Now let's pretend to be ducks swimming. Swim. Swimming in the pond. Good job. One more animal in our barn. Let's see what the last animal is. Open, please. The barn door opened, and it's a horse. It's a horse. Let's gallop around like horses. Come on. Neigh, neigh. Good job. Neigh, neigh. It's fun to gallop like a horse. Good job. What does a horse eat?
She eats hay
Wow.
and apples and carrots.
Yum.
Apples are her favorite.
Do you like apples and carrots?
Hey, Lobo, what do you call a horse who lives next door? A neighbor, right? Is that what you call them?